Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the UCAT. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, which includes 5 distinct subtests: verbal reasoning, decision-making, quantitative reasoning, abstract reasoning, and situational judgment. Next, develop a study plan that allocates specific time slots for each section. Consistent practice is key, so aim for at least 1 to 2 hours daily. Prioritize understanding question types and developing efficient strategies for each section. To maximize your preparation, use official UCAT practice materials and reputable question banks. These resources offer realistic questions and help you understand the exam's nuances. Don't just complete questions. Meticulously review every answer, especially those you got wrong, to identify patterns and areas for improvement. Crucially, practice under strict timed conditions. This builds your speed and stamina, preparing you for the intense pace of the actual UCAT exam. For verbal reasoning, focus on speed reading and identifying key information quickly. Decision-making requires strong logical deduction and an understanding of probability. Quantitative reasoning demands excellent mental arithmetic and efficient data interpretation from charts and graphs. Abstract reasoning benefits from recognizing patterns and applying rules consistently. Finally, for situational judgment, understand the ethical principles and professional guidelines relevant to medical practice. In the days leading up to your UCAT, prioritize getting sufficient sleep and maintaining a healthy routine. Avoid cramming and trust the preparation you've already done. On exam day, stay calm, read instructions carefully, and manage your time wisely for each section. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. And hey, while you're preparing for your future, make sure your feet are comfortable. Check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.